Most traders actually believe that you need these complicated trading indicators and a huge account balance to actually make money trading crypto. But honestly, guys, it couldn't be further from the truth. The real reason most beginners fail at trading and making money is because they just simply don't have a repeatable system that shows exactly when to get into a trade, when to get out of a trade, and most importantly, what a lot of people don't talk about, when to do nothing, no trade. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 proven scalping trade strategies which have helped me turn pretty random losses, inconsistent results into proven profit. So tap that like, stick around to the end, and you'll see how simple trading really can be. I'll be using 𝗦𝗳𝗃, my go-to trading platform, because it's fast, it's simple, and it's built for scalpers. But you can really use any exchange. If you want to follow along, just check the links down below in the description. This is strategy number 1, and it's all about finding the trend, the direction of where we're going. I use an indicator called Supertrend. You can type it into 𝗦𝗃. I'm going to go to indicators, type in Supertrend, click it, and you can add it to your chart. I like to use it and have found the best results on the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you a demo on the 15-minute time frame, and you can see here we're using Bitcoin. It pretty much works on any coin, but particularly well Bitcoin, Ethereum, sometimes XRP, because they're slightly less volatile. So you can see here it simply turns red when you should be shorting, and it turns green when you should be longing. The same is to be said if you want to know when to take profit. Well, it's simply when it changes color. So you can see here on the 14th of October, 1:45 a.m., if we had shorted here to the point where the indicator turned green for a long, we would have made 3.5%. Of course, if you're trading on a platform like 𝗦𝗃 or any of the futures trading platforms I recommend, you can utilize some leverage. So if you were 10x leverage, that would be a 35% gain. Pretty cool, right? Let's go back a little bit further to see another example. You could have longed here when the price turned green on the 12th of October. Had you have longed it up to the point where it went red, you would have made, again, around 3.5, actually 3.7%. However, you can see here that there was a short signal. It turned red here. So you would have actually made a small loss, but I have found this indicator to be correct about 80% of the time. You win a lot more than you lose with this indicator, and on the 15-minute time frame, I find the average profit to be around 2 to 3%, so pretty nice. So strategy number 2 is all about timing the move, knowing when the momentum is actually building up for an entry, for a position. I use something called QQE MOD, which tracks volatility and strength. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but it's super easy. I'm going to show you how to use it. When it flips bullish in the same direction as Supertrend, that really is my signal to prepare for entry. It filters out all the noise, false moves, and helps me catch momentum early instead of chasing it late. Let me show you exactly how it works. So for this one, I'm actually going to go over to TradingView, which is free. I'll leave a link down below for TradingView as well, because you can see the QQE modulator much easier. You can see I have Supertrend highlighted here, but what you're going to do is go to the indicators, type QQE mod, and you're going to click this to add it. It's going to come up as what's known as an oscillator. You also have other popular oscillators. You might have heard of RSI, that's an oscillator. The MACD, that's an oscillator. But in this instance, we're going to be using the QQE mod. When this shows blue and it lines up with the Supertrend, that is your cue to go long. When you see it turn red, and also you see the Supertrend signal turn red, well, that's your cue to go short. Pretty simple, right? My word of advice for using this indicator, the QQE mod, is actually to only close the signal out when it changes color, not when it goes neutral. So for example, in this short situation here, where it turned red, it actually turned red before our Supertrend, you could have actually shorted it just to the gray zone. I would always recommend going to where it flips into the opposite direction. So you would have made a bit more profit there by using not just the Supertrend. So some nice profits there. So right now, as you can see, it's turned green, and our QQE modulator isolators also blue. So this is a great opportunity for a long. We would close that trade only when the Supertrend turned red and we started to see red on our QQE mod. Pretty simple, right? Any questions, leave them in the comments below. So strategy 3 is all about precision. It really is the final piece of the jigsaw here. Where to get in, where to get out. So you can use this strategy with the other two, or you can use this one as a standalone as well. And the indicator I'm talking about is called the 𝗬𝗃 alert. It prints clean buy and sell signals once volatility confirms a shift. So if you're on TradingView already, I would suggest to go to indicators, type in 𝗬𝗃 alerts, click that to add it, and you can see how simple this really is. I like this on the 15-minute chart. It's not bad on the 30-minute chart. Ultimately here, when you enter at sell, you finish your trade at buy. If you buy here, you finish at sell. You're going to make consistent profits with this strategy. It's allowed me to easily make over $1,000 a day simply by following this one indicator alone. If you're starting with as little as $100, you can easily make $100, $200 a day using this strategy. And I highly recommend it, particularly for beginners. So a quick recap, and also about combining these indicators and how they all work together. So we covered Supertrend. It gives clear direction. We had the QQE, the QQE mod. It confirms the momentum. And then 3, we had the 𝗬𝗃 alerts. It really does nail the entries and exits. When you use these 3 together, they become a superpower. And if you use all 3 together, you're going to be beating 95% of traders. You're not going to be guessing anymore. So if you want to test these systems out, start small. Maybe even use some of the demo features that you have on 𝗬𝗃, Blowfin, FEMX, any of the links below. I personally trade on 𝗬𝗃 because it really is fast. It has deep liquidity. It really is built for scalp traders. Anyone can access it worldwide, no KYC. And like I said, if you do use the link in the description below, you will get up to $30,000 in bonus once you've made your first deposit and trade. If this helped, drop a like, do subscribe for more, and I do suggest to check out any one of these videos that pop up on the screen before you go. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.